Hi, my name is Todd Piper, owner of Tidal Construction, and I'd like to talk about a raised slab foundation. My building methods in construction, this is my preferred method for constructing a home. I used a raised slab foundation. This has the same appearance outwardly from a crawl space. It allows the house to have a raised perspective and not give you the look of a patio or slab on grade style home. However, what it does allow is it prevents some of the problems that we see in southern North Carolina with inherent problems with crawl spaces. Some of the inherent problems with crawl spaces here are groundwater below the house entering into what we call the building envelope or the foundation wall. A result of that is unwanted critters, mold and mildew under the house. This can produce some undesirable consequences for the homeowner if they're subject to mold and mildew, or nobody really wants animals living under their house. So what I've chosen to do is we pour a standard foundation with the house, then we install masonry blockwork as you would with a crawl space. However, that's where things change. At this point, we fill the slab with clean fill sand, and then we compress the dirt with equipment so it meets a compression level of 2,500 pounds per square foot. At that point, we install we dig and we install plumbing lines. These plumbing lines are installed throughout the house, water, sewer. At that point, the plumbing lines are then pressurized up and tested to ensure there's no leaking below the slab. From at this point, an insecticide is applied to the dirt to prevent any kind of termites or any animals from entering the house from below the concrete. Currently, the foundation contractor is installing a thickened lug. This will be a load-bearing part of the house. And at this point, going forward, the slab itself will be covered with a 6mm plastic vapor barrier. After this, the slab is inspected, and we will pour concrete for the thickness of this block right here, which is 4 inches at a minimum. The other addition and the other thing that is good about the raised slab foundation is, in addition to the slab here, the concrete fills all the cells of the CMU cinder block. This adds additional strength to the house itself. The walls are built directly on top of this, so this means there's a solid concrete foundation or stem wall from the wall plate, which is the roof, all the way down to the foundation.